Today, we are celebrating our Penguin Island graduation. When I think of going to school, I remember a lot of fun times, but I also know it wasn't always easy. Sometimes I felt scared, or I made mistakes, or I didn't know how to do something. In school, I would sometimes miss my house and the people there. I would sometimes get into disagreement with my friends because it can sometimes be hard to share toys or take turns doing things. Other times I would get nervous when I didn't know what to do in class. But I learned that it's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn and grow. My teachers helped me, my friends encouraged me, and my family supported me. Now look at us. We are about to go to big school. We now know that even things seem hard, we can do it. And even when we fail, sometimes there are many people around to help us and cheer us on. Look at where we are now, and let us not forget how we got here. Remember, mistakes can be used to lead us to discoveries of even more beautiful things. So let us keep being brave, keep learning, and always have faith.